What's up YouTube, and I'm back again with another video, and today I'll be showing you something which is very different. If you haven't subscribed at FOSS Institute, please do subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. So today I'll be showing you guys how to create a thumbnail which is similar to the thumbnail which MagnatesMedia will do. So I just downloaded three pictures, four pictures, the log of this company, the graveyard stone, and then two stock files images. So the first thing that I'll usually do when I want to do such a thing, I'll just go straight to my graveyard stone, come straight to this here, select all the white part, then you click delete. Then it will delete everything on the white area. Then you come here, you just do the same thing even here, then you click delete. Then I'll just click Control A, Control C. Then okay, before I do that, let me just click Control D. Let's make sure everything inside is also deleted. Then I'll just click Control A, Control C. Then I select everything. Then I select here. Then I click Control V. Then it will be placed around this area. Then I'll push it just like that. Then I can see now is a log of a company over there. Then I'll come around this area there. I'll just click on screen. Then I'll just try to see what suits perfect for, but there are so many ways to deal with it. We can put like linear light, then after it we can just drop a capacitor so it can feel like is in is the part of the stone, just like that. So we can just save this. Okay, I'll just save it straight on my desktop, straight on my desktop. Graveyard stone 1. Okay, I'll just save it there. Then save to PNG, save. Okay, like that. Then I'll just click delete on those two because I don't need them anymore. Then I'll just go straight here, click new, click here. Then I'll just go straight to 1920 times 1080. Then just click OK. Then I can come here. Then I just click Control A, select everything, Control C, and then we come around here, Control A, Control V. Then we just scale our file to fit our resolution. Then that's it. Then it goes straight to menu, go straight to file, go to open. Then you select like the picture which you saved. This is a picture which we saved. Open it. Then you just click Control A to select everything, Control C. Then we come here with Control V. You can see, so you gotta make our stone like very big so that everyone like can easily spot what this video will be talking about. So we can just come around here, we just Control A, Control C. So we're just trying to remove or control like this. You can take this and put around this area. Then we make it big so we can see through it, just like that. So hold it again, then you just put around like that AR so that you can see just inside it. Hold it just to see inside it, just like that. But I feel like you still need to scale it a little bit. I gotta make it a little bit bigger. Okay, and from that area you come straight here, then you go straight to strain, and that's how it will look like. And you just try to expand this to come around here. You try to expand that just to come over there, and yeah, then that's all, guys. I think that's all, and you can just put the logo of your company on any corner. You can see like everything is blending, and you can also add a little bit of a drop or shadow. And I think that's all, guys. I hope you did enjoy this one, and I'll see you next time. Bless.